Hey everybody, how's it going? Today I bring you a 2004 Jeep Grand Cherokee Columbia edition called Red. It's another one of our newest lot vehicles. I'm over here at Automart in Hanover, Massachusetts. This is going to be a full in-depth tour of the Grand Cherokee. I'm going to start it up. Going to get an exhaust clip, show the engine, as well as show us a bunch of features on the interior of the Grand Cherokee as well as exterior. Well, without further ado, let's go ahead and start it up and let it run. Let's see how many miles this thing has. As you can see, it's got a battery problem. Well, let's see. It's dead. Okay, we're gonna go get my jumper box. Okay, we got a jumper box in place now. Let's see if she's gonna start. We got power now. Take two, jumper box in. Oh, we got power. Let's see what happens. Alright, we got her started. Okay, we're going to continue on with the tour now. Hood's already popped. Got your four-wheel drive system. Okay, we're going to cut on hazards. We're going to cut the lights on. Fog lights. Windows already open. Well, let's check out the exterior. Gotta love your Grand Cherokees. Rated 4x4. Oh, check the lights. Take two. I apologize for any wind interference. It is quite windy today. Okay, we'll check out the engine now. Okay, it's a 4.0 liter V6 engine. Alright, let's check out the interior. And cut the lights off. Hazards off. Let's check the air conditioner. Oh, the air conditioner is perfect. Let's check out the radio. Which both of them?
Honey, check it. Tell your friends to get with my friends. We could be friends. And you can do this every weekend. That's right. Is that alright with you? Yeah.
Got your four-wheel drive.
Keep banging.
Throw your hands in the air if you's a true player. So the homies getting money, play your fellas like dummies. You got a gun up in your waist, please don't shoot up the place. Cause I see some ladies tonight that should be having my baby.
Got the sunroof. It's got automatic sunroof. This needs gas too. As you can see, the lights on. Got your cruise control. If we want to keep the window open there, we need to let this battery charge, and now I'll come back to where I went at the end of my tour. These seats do fold down. Here's your spare tire. Alright, we're going to do another walk around, and then we're going to check the battery. Very nice sounding Jeep. Alright, let's check the battery. Had it running for a little bit now. Okay, let's see if she's charged. Battery is no good. She died. Oh well, let's hook up the jumper box again. Okay, jumper box is back in place again. Let's start it up. Oh, battery connection. Take 2. Bad connection again. Okay, take 3. Okay, take 4. See, as you can see, this battery must be replaced. I'm gonna go in and talk to the owner. Gonna have to replace this battery. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed this full in-depth tour of the 2004 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Thank you for watching. Please rate, comment today, and please subscribe, and please check out my other videos.